I'm going to try to make a quick iMovie tutorial video. This is the iMovie that you should see on your laptops, students, and basically there's some functions that you need to learn. There's all kinds of different things that you could do, but we're going to go ahead and start with the import button. And once you have the import screen, you can choose things from your hard drive, your desktop. If you actually plug a camera in, it'll be over here from devices or camera. But for right now, let's say if we did our screen flow, um, we would just try to get that off of our actual desktop. Excuse me. Let's just say we did our announcements, or let's just import that. And then when we import it, we know a lot of it is about finding it. So when you hit your import, make sure you import it and you know exactly where you imported it, like contribution movie. If you need to make a new event, you go up top and scroll up to new event, and then you type in maybe your person and then your initials, okay, and hit OK. But since I already have one, I'm just going to put contribution movie and then import all. And then once I do that, at the bottom of it, you'll see my actual movie that I need. So now I need to do is I need to create, and you're gonna see two options. Some of you guys will want to create a trailer. It really doesn't fit with what we're doing. We're gonna have to hit movie, and you're gonna have different themes to your movie. You can pick one that works for you. Sometimes I don't even pick a theme because basically I don't want automatic transitions. I can go back and add my own transitions. And I'm gonna actually name mine my subject, and then my initial, because other people share your laptops. So once I open up the interface, it kind of looks like this, and this is my storyboard. Okay, so when I drag something in, you just add it in like that. And then if I need to shorten it up to see more, I can do that. Or if I need to break down the seconds more, I can do that. So once I have those features, or that movie imported, that's a very basic feature. And I select it, I can change different things about it. I can make it longer and import more. Notice how that orange line is there, and it tells me what's been imported. Okay, I could actually look at changing the color, darkening and lightening up. I don't generally do that a lot. What I generally do is I can lower the voice. You notice down here I can do increase or decrease the voice or the volume. So we get another video in there. This is something, if you have some imagination, you can change the speed of a video. It changes the sound. Alright, you can actually increase it. Alright, you could actually make it in reverse, and we go backwards. So yeah, it would be fun to it changes the sound. So it's actually pretty funny and pretty cool. You just have to make it educational. You can change the effect of the video as well, and the audio effect to what you're doing. Just make sure that it fits. Then once you have it in there and it fits what you're doing, you notice that it's a green screen. So if I set up a green screen, the first thing that I should do is actually find a background. So if I wanted just a background of a game or something, doesn't really matter. Put that in first, and then I can get my actual video. And when I have a two-layer, one video, 2 layers, what I can do then is I'll try to do a green screen, even though it's not all set. And then you notice it'll put the background on the green screen. And now what I can also do is I can crop this if it's not all there, and then hit OK, and now it cleans it up a little bit.
That's bad. If you can find something that'll face you, like a desk or a TV or whatever, it's over there.
So now basically I have that background all taken care of, and I can check it in. So that's how you add the green screen effect in. If you didn't know how to do that, you can add that in. And then the one thing that I will say, where I will end off, is if I wanted to do picture-in-picture, like all you have to look is side by side, is you could actually do a screenshot and have one side with your person's contribution, the other side with the picture of the person, and then during that whole thing you could actually go to Window, voice record, move your playhead to right there, and hit record, and it's going to start counting you down. Now I can time up what I want to say during this part side by side, and when I'm done I just hit the microphone, and then it goes back. Time up what I want to say during this part. What I need to do is go back to my sound, okay, or sound here. I can adjust. I can do 16. I can take this up to 250. Now I can time up what I want to say during this part, so I can adjust my side. When I'm all done, I hit share. I generally hit file on this computer, and then this is an export feature where I can just keep it large, hit next, and then I can put it on my desktop and then upload it to my YouTube channel, which can be embedded in my presentation or shared on my blog.